Today at LUXX Kitchen and Bath, we're taking a look at the Fulgor Milano Combi steam oven. This is about the size of a microwave. It's built into the wall of your kitchen, and it produces both steam and convection heat, and it can also do regular baking. Right now it's heating up. You can see here on the control panel that it's getting ready to get up to 210 degrees Fahrenheit. And here I'm going to show you the tank where the water is stored to create the steam. This does not have to be plumbed into your house, as some models do. You simply pull this out, dump out the water when you're finished, put new water in when you need more, and stick it right back here into the side of the Combi steam oven. So our Combi steam oven is up to temperature. I've just dumped about a pound of broccoli florets onto a sheet pan, and now I'm going to give them a good spray with some olive oil. And we're going to throw this into the oven for about 8 minutes. The recipe we're making today with our Combi steam oven is from Emily's Steam and Bake website. She's probably the best person out there as far as the internet goes for recipes and videos of her cooking. This is a broccoli and shrimp with a spicy sauce on it. So the broccoli is roasting and steaming. I pre-mixed the marinade. This has spicy chili paste, soy sauce, roasted sesame oil, and sesame seeds in it. And now I'm going to add the shrimp. Here's our shrimp and the marinade. We're just going to mix them together. And when the broccoli has roasted for 6 minutes, then this is going to go into the pan with the broccoli. This is a really quick and easy to throw together recipe. If you have some rice already cooked, you're golden. Here's what our broccoli looks like after 6 minutes in the steam oven. It is a little bit roasted on some of the edges, like here, and it's starting to soften up from being steamed. Now we're going to add the shrimp and the marinade and put the whole thing back in the oven for about another 6 minutes. Okay, now we've got the shrimp and the broccoli cooking together back in the steam oven for 5 or 6 more minutes. It's going to depend on the size of your shrimp. I just gave the pan a stir and tested the broccoli. The broccoli's not quite done, probably because I was lazy and left it in rather large florets. And I put it back in for another 2 minutes. Okay, here's our taste tester. This is Dave. Dave owns the company. He looks happy for once.
That's really good. The shrimp is not dried out, not toughened. This is how it works with the steam oven.